guys, this is Caitlin, and Caitlin is one of my Vivid clients, and it's been a minute since we lightened up her new growth. So I'm going to go ahead and do that today, keeping it 1/4 of an inch away from the scalp, and then I'm going to go ahead and do that through the whole head, process that area till it's about a level 8, and then I will go through and I will hit the roots. So she keeps with the same colors all the time. So I do not strip out colors because all it's going to do is damage the hair, and I don't want to damage the hair. So here we go, putting on her Vivid color. She wanted a little of a pink pop, but like I said, I wasn't going to pull the bleach through and break her hair. So we're just going to let it fade, and if it made a different tone, it's okay. And if it worked, even better. So I'm just doing the whole top like 1990 style with a diagonal back, super stripes, but you're not going to see the stripes because I'm doing them on a diagonal. I'm going to do that around the whole top of the head, sort of in a horseshoe pattern around the top of the head. I'm using purples, aqua. I did a little pink in the front. I think I have some blue in there. It came out really beautiful. I can't wait for you guys to see. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Put all those foils up. I just use foils to separate, and so things don't lay in people's faces. I'm just going to color the underneath, pretty much all the same color because nobody's going to see it. So, and there's the final result, guys. It is absolutely beautiful. I love the bold stripes. It looks amazing. Thanks so much for watching. Links in the bio. Have a great day.
Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.